Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learn Quran in English language. Use of Arabic grammar. Lesson number 28. The different forms of kana in Quran. This word is not new. You have met with kana in lesson number 18, where kana was used to show completion of any task. The next noun to kana was in fatha form. In lesson 28, you will learn to use different forms of kana and change of meanings due to the effect of kana in the verse. Different forms of kana are yakunu, kun, yaku. He is, he will be. Takunu, takun, taku mean you are for singular, you will be. Akunu, akun, aku mean I am or I will be. Kun mean be for order. It is an imperfect or incomplete verb because it does not give complete meanings. There is a pronoun hidden in it. That's why it is translated as he is, he was, or he will be. The word kana is both in verb clause and noun clause. It requires a noun to give complete meaning in a sentence. As we know that there is a pronoun hidden in kana, that pronoun acts as a subject. Another noun after kana comes in fatha case to complete the meanings. The word kana has 17 sisters too. One of them is Laisa. Sometimes it comes out kana rasulu. There is a noun after kana, but it is not in fatha case. It is in dhamma case. For so it means no, this is hidden subject that has come out because it is in dhamma form. So it is not object but subject. But our sentence is incomplete. Otherwise we have a verb and subject, we have a complete sentence. But in case of kana, it is incomplete. That is why it is incomplete verb. We need another noun to complete the sentence. This noun will be in fatha form or will be the object and complete kana. Sometimes it may not be an object, but it comes to complete the noun. Kana is used for past tense. It is used for masculine singular third person. Its plural is kanu and kuntum. Its feminine is kanat. If we add feminine noon, it will become kunna and kuntunna. Now use of kana with ateen, alif ta ya noon. Ateen and kana are treated as past continuous tense. This combination shows that a certain task has been continuously acted for a long time. Example is yakulu. Here ya is an ateen letter and qala, when added with qala, it becomes yaqulu. He says or he will say. When we add kana, it becomes kana yaqulu and translated as he used to say or he had been saying. Next example is kana yaktubu. He used to write or he has been writing. Different forms of kana are used frequently in the Quran. Generally, kana is used for past tense, but when there is a universal truth, it will be translated into present tense. Examples: when there is any noun for Allah, it will be translated into present tense. Kana Allahu Aziman Hakima. Indeed, Allah is the great and wise. Here are different forms of kana. For third person, kana, we add ya with kana. It becomes yakunu, yakun, or yaku. Mean he is or he will be. Next there is added ateen letter ta. Ta plus kana become takunu, takun, or taku. Ta is used for second person. Mean you are for singular, you for singular, or you will be. Next is akunu, akun, aku. Here alif from atin letters is added to kana and it becomes akunu, akun, aku, which means I am or I will be. Last is kun, mean be. It is an order. Use of kana with conditional words. In. If there is conditional word in occurs before kana in the sentence, there will be used present tense in transition. Thus, kana will be translated into present tense in two conditions. One is with the name of Allah and second is with conditional word. Example is kana Allahu ghafuran. Allah is forgiving. In kuntum sadiqin. In mean if. Kuntum, you are. Sadiqin, truthful. Here in is a conditional word. So, some examples from Quran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala, he said, Rabbi, O my Lord, Anna, how, yakunu, I can have, li ghulamun, a boy, li mean for me, ghulamun, a boy, waqad balaganiyal kibaru, while I have certainly reached old age. Second is vayakuna dinu lillahi. Vayakuna and remains ad-dinu, religion or obedience, lillahi for Allah, and obedience will remain for Allah or and religion will remain for Allah. In this slide there are some examples of kana plus atin. Last is yakunun nasu. All people will become. All people will become. Here Allah is not word here. Here is actually word is all. Meanings are not conveyed fully because we do not have know what will be they become. In order to convey full meanings, a noun in fatha case will be added to the sentence. Assalamu alaikum.